Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that. Oh, what did I just say? What did it say? Oh, I think it's pregnancy brightness. Real. Okay. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new to this channel, on this channel we do beauty, fashion, and a few travel vlogs. And on today's video, I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing and showing y'all what a few brands sent me and I'll be trying out. So we'll go with the first item, which is from Lancôme. Now I actually have been using this item here and I definitely see the difference. I've been using it under my eyes and I see the difference in my eyes like on the regular. Plus when I do my makeup, it just like gives me like a seamless effect. I always use it at night and always with my makeup before I do my makeup routine. So this is the box that it came in, and it is it's called a youth activating concentrate. Hold on. And I love the little sleek bottle that they stick it in. So this is it right here. So cute. Comes in such a cute bottle. And then you see the little drop. It drops out like that. So literally like a little bit. I just do like one drop here and one drop here. And I rub it in. So yeah, this is from Lancôme. And it's so pretty. Look how it goes on so smooth. Let me just show y'all a little bit of it. Yeah. So, and this bottle will last you. So, love this from Lancôme. And then, somebody's texting me. And then we have a box from L'Oreal. So L'Oreal has the new, they have a new design, a new pump to their foundation. So I love this. This is what it comes in. And I love that like on the box, it's a lot. It shows you like the diversity. It has so many, like let me back up a little bit. It has so many different shades and everything, but obviously they only sent my shade. So this is what they sent me. So cute, right? And it kind of shows you everything that comes. It says scan to see the science behind true match. 99% found a true match. So it's showing you all the different people. So this is my shade, the W9, which is warm, deep. It's warm, medium, deep. That's my exact shade. Like I didn't have to mix it. And then they also sent me neutral, medium, deep. And they also sent neutral, medium. So they sent me three, I guess, to like in between my shade. But this is my exact shade. So let me show y'all this here. So this is how it comes. I mean, this light is so... Okay, there it goes. You can kind of see that. And as you can see, it's like a perfect match to me. I go by my neck. I don't go by my face because my face tends to be a little bit brighter than my neck. So I'll go by my neck. And I already got on makeup, so I can't show you. I like to shake. I do that to anybody. I shake. And let me get a brush. Do I got a little brush in here? I don't. Alright, that's okay. We'll just test it out. So let me show y'all. You see that? So it's literally like true match. I'm gonna go back here behind my ears because I be having my little discoloration from my eczema. You see how that covered right up? And what I like about L'Oreal, literally like a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna take some of that and go right here. So literally like a little bit is gonna take you a long way. And then, hold on y'all, I got one more thing to show y'all from L'Oreal. So they sent me this, so let's put this one up. I'm trying to clean up as I go when I record, because it seems like when I record, it just be a hot mess because everything just be a mess. So I just did this unboxing on TikTok, so hold on, y'all. Kind of a mess. I want to give y'all the same presentation that I gave TikTok. Alright, so this is the box from L'Oreal. Jeez. So y'all can see how huge this box is. It's heavy too. So the first portion of this box is, let me show y'all. Okay, and this is just like a map of all the lippies that they sent me. So tell you where to find them and everything. And hold on. Okay, so it says try the new Color Rich Intense Volume Matte Lipstick for up to 16-hour wear. And they sent me the shade La Rosy well, here you go, right here. They sent you like a map of all the shades. It's La Rosy, Confident, Le Nude, Admirable, Le Nude. That's a shame I took French and I don't even know how to say this. It's a color. It's called Independent, Nonchalant, Indomitable, Ambition, Arrogant, Activist, Courage, Determination, Avant-Garde, and Dominant. So those are all the colors. Oh, okay. And then for the eyeliners, I just realized this. For the eyeliners, these are the colors. It's Intense Black, which is so pretty. You have to kind of see I got some on, but I'll do it again. Dark brown, no, brown denim, taupe gray, turquoise, blue jersey, and emerald blue. And then the primers. These are the primers here. They sent me 4 primers. So it's Pore Minimizer, which is a silky pink primer that instantly blurs pores and smoothes skin over time. You got the Matte Setter, the Redness Eraser, and the Dullness Reducer. So it literally, this whole little thing is like a little map, and it gives you the breakdown of everything that comes in the box. Alright, so let's get into this huge box. So this is the box here. Okay, and then these are the primers. So a bunch of stuff for us makeup lovers, right? These are all the primers. So I probably won't be using all of them. The ones that I'm going to use on my actual self, the rest is going to be for my clients. But I'll probably do the Matte Setter. That's me because I love a dry matte face, right? And then the lippies. I think the best one that I like, oh, let me show y'all how the lippies look. So this is what it gives. It's in a nice cute sleek black container, and it has like gold hardware, so sleek and cute. You get a lot of product. Get a lot of product for that. And they have really pretty colors that's going to take you from like summer all the way into fall, right? And then y'all about to gag over these eyeliners. Let me see if I can put this eyeliner on for y'all while we talking right now. I can't. I literally can't. I don't have nothing to open the mirror. But anyways, let me show you how dark this one is. So that's the Intense Black. And then if you want to like pop a color, like you see in the L'Oreal commercials how they do. Let me show you. They got this green. That green is so pretty. And it goes on so smooth. Literally, look. It goes on so smooth. Like you're not struggling to put them on. So, these are like the most vibrant colors. That's why I'm showing y'all these. Because everything else, I'm sure y'all have seen those before. That metallic blue is pretty too. And then, they had another color. Oh, the gray. Oh, no. The deep blue. So L'Oreal, they stepping their game up. And that's one thing I love about the OG beauty brands like L'Oreal. They're like, they in a bag, okay? So, look at that. How pretty is that? So yeah, this was my little unboxing, my beauty unboxing. If y'all enjoyed this video, thumbs up this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll do more. I've been getting a lot of PR boxes, but sometimes it seems like y'all don't be liking it, so I just do it on TikTok instead. But I'll give y'all more. So yeah, that's my beauty unboxing of the week. Maybe I'll do these weekly. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.